One of the cool features of Leonardo is the describe with AI. Basically, you put in a picture and it actually describes you and gives you a prompt that you can use to recreate the picture, at least in style, not necessarily the exact picture. I go over how to replicate a picture in my course, Leonardo AI Essentials for Business on Udemy, and it goes into a couple of different ways that you can do that. But for this, we're going to go through and describe with AI. So notice I'm also not in legacy mode. I am in, I guess, non-legacy mode. I'm not quite sure what they call this. But basically, you click on these star icon and you have describe with AI where you can upload an image. Now, as you can see here, this is my picture of my doggy Brownie. I call her Bougie Brownie. But you can actually choose whatever pictures. So just for the sake of this, let me go ahead and choose Brownie's digital image, and then we can confirm. So now it's working its magic and coming up with a description. And here it is, right here, medium-sized dog with light brown fur, black snout, blue fabric draped over a barrier. So then you can go ahead and let's generate this picture and see how it comes out. Now realize it won't come out exactly, but it will give you a good approximation so that you can actually go ahead and edit whatever you need to edit. And we go over that in another module about how you can do a little tweak of the image. Adorable. So you can see here, it's not exactly my dog, but you can see my little bookshelf in the background. This is an absolutely adorable picture. And then you have this right here. You can ask Leonardo to help you with a prompt by describing a picture, and then go ahead and recreate a picture, or at least something close to it, within Leonardo so that you can use it in whatever capacity you want.